Google what that kind of stuff, but it's okay, no problem, because it's a large text base only, so text is very clear and we can get it. Okay, so record is started. See, it is admin commands. Okay, normal commands, other command are normal commands. You can see any user can able to do with this kind of stuff. Okay, depends upon locations and all. Already I told root is a administrator of Linux. Root is a administrator of Linux, all privileges. You log in with the root, you can see hash. You log in with the normal user or a regular user, shows as a dollar. Okay, so look at that. Next, when you put a command, any command, so command and argument and option. This is your bash command rule. Command, option, argument. This is the line of commands are there. So I put a ls. Ls is a command. Then where is the argument and option? It's the default options. Argument is current directory. Argument is current directory. What is your current directory? That is current directory. If I put a ls space dot ssh, now I give an argument dot ssh. Check the data in the dot ssh directory. Okay. If in case ls space -a and I given an option, all hidden files. If I put a ls space -a dot ssh, command, option, argument, three things are there. All these commands are correct commands only. All these commands correct commands only. No fault in it. Thing is, so difference here, it is argument is your current directory based on the command. I'm talking about based on the command. Okay, based on the command. This is I specify dot ssh directory. You know what is the ls, right? So ls is a list current directory content. This is option is there. -a represent all files including hidden files. So here it is, all files including hidden, that's it. All with including, because of file means file, directory means directory, that is the different. All with including hidden files and directories in .ssh directory. So this is your bash command kind of thing. It depends upon your requirement. You have to put a command. Guys, to learn the Linux is very important thing is learning the commands. Typing the commands means what is the command and type the command is not completely learning the Linux. Important is verify the each and every command, and next one is know what kind of output you required. Based on that, you have to learn the commands. I want to see what is my current directory content, ls command. I want to see what is my current date, so date command. I want to display a line, so echo command. Like that only you have to learn. If you learn like this, for example, what is echo command? Echo command is used to display the line. Then you are learning just you are know the command, but whenever the purpose is came up, like whenever the scenario is came up, then which command you want to use, that is again little confusing. Okay, that's the difference is there. Little difference is there. But the best way is to know what is the thing you want to do it. So this is about your commands. The command is single command, or maybe command with some argument, or command with a option and argument. We will do it. Linux is more compatible kind of stuff, guys. It's not like any other command lines. It is, we can use in different ways. Okay. Of course, Linux is not like a Windows. Windows is a user friendly. That's I didn't write in there because Windows is a user friendly because of GUI mode. Anything you want, you don't require to learn everything. Okay, you go to that particular option, read it what it is, and start doing it. Maybe it is works, may not be works. Again, try it again. So even though you are not required a professional training, 100% training, hardcore training is not required for Windows. But Linux, compulsory, you required a training, compulsory to learn and do it. So that's the point of Linux. Yeah, we will start with Linux related. What I'm trying to do is I already log in with root. So currently, the first one, the first part of the commands, I will do it in my root only. Okay. So I can do it in a student also. If I want to go with to student, I have to sign out. I have to sign out. So like click log out. Okay. That is thing. Yeah, I didn't show you multi-user, multiple kind of stuff. That is also I will show you. I came to the commands part. So then I will go to commands only. Okay, because of this is the starting for so many people. So close. This is the Linux. Right click, open terminal. Thus it is showing visible, right? Now one by one command. Clear already I told. pwd present working directory. pwd current working directory or a present working directory. Present working directory, or you can say current working directory. It means which directory you are working. If you create a file or you want to see the content of the file, content like that. So what is the directory you are using now? So I am in a /root. I'm in a /root. For example, this is my current directory, right? If I delete this file, so it is deleted from here. If I create a new file, it will be created here only. Why? Because of this is my current working directory. This is the path of the directory. Same thing, it is a current working directory. Okay, pwd. You know ls already, the content of the current working directory. Next, who means what are the users or login to your PC. Okay, so what type of users and from where they log in. Okay, so this is a Linux server. I can log in from here. I can log in from here also. Remotely or directly we can able to log in. But whatever it is, it shows from where the user is logging. For example, Alt Control F1, then F2. See, this is F2 screen. Alt Control F2. Okay, then I'm logging with student 17A. Student 17A. I don't have any other user. I will create later. See dollar symbol. Who? It is showing student 17A. Who am I? I am a student 17A. pwd /home/student 17A. Same thing. Alt Control F1. So this is another screen. Okay. So again, who earlier student A, student 17A is not there. Now it is there. TTY2 and login time is this one. When he login, last login time. Okay. So this is who. Who? Understand. You put a who am I? Current user login. So which user is login? Same thing I've done. So look at here. Alt Control F2. So here it is showing student slash home slash student 17A, and who am I output is student 17A, like that. Who it's all our user is login. F3, Alt Control F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. This is F1. I'm going to F1. Alt Control F1. See, F1 is a GUI screen. F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7 are a CLI screens only. Okay. In my system, currently, Ctrl plus Alt plus the F1. Currently, in my system, it is a GUI screen. Same thing. F2 is a CLI. So I am trying to put it like a from F2 to F7. Okay, F2 to F7 are a CLI. By so many messages. 1 second, guys. Okay. F2 CLI, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7 CLI. Okay. Guys, understand this? Alt Control F1. Alt Control F1 means GUI mode, CLI mode. So this is a multi-user mode. Okay. Multi-user. So Linux is a multi-user. So at a time, multiple users can able to log in. Why root is showing 2 times? Why? Because of through putty, I log in like this. This is one. This is another putty. If I exit from here, then go to here. See, look at here. See, one is down. Same thing. If I put a who am I and who, see, same kind of output. Who are logged into my Linux directly or through network. The command will shows who am I, who. Okay. So how to go to different terminals, physical terminals. F2. This is student login. F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F1. Okay. Next. Who am I? Current user login. Compulsory login. Username, password login. Then only it shows output. Who shows who are login to sorry, who are login to a Linux system or a server. Okay, who are logging to our server. PWD, who am I showed, all control kind of stuff. You guys understand? Who am I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is I will show echo. Echo is repeat whatever the sentence you given here. Put a hello. This is Linux class. See, it produces that kind of stuff. Echo. Today is Linux basics. Linux basics class. See, like that, whatever it is, it displays. That is a echo command. You want to know what is your host name? This is your host name. Host name space -s. Only main part of host name. Host name space -i. Okay, it displays IP address. This is your IP address, not this one. This is bridge network. Look at this is my IP address. This is IPv6 address. This is IPv4 address. Because how I know? This is we understand IPv6, but which is your correct IP address? Little confusion is there. Okay, but out of that one, I know already my IP address. So this is the one. So yeah, that is another part. You can copy paste. So echo command. What is echo command? Display the line. Display the line where it is your given. Okay. Host name space -s. So okay, output we didn't given, right? So this is an output. Display IP address. Okay. -i display the IP address. -s only main part. /home complete. Sorry, host name to display the what is your host name. Okay. Understand host name?
Yes, sir.
Today date. What I'm doing? Date. Today's date. Today's date. Okay. Like that. There is a one more command like a dollar USVR. Or you can put a echo dollar USVR. So meaning is the username, current username. So the login username. Okay. Dollar USVR. Dollar home directory. These are the environmental variables. Environmental variables. Okay. Dollar ESR. Dollar home. But when you type that one, so what to do? So they don't understand. So I will use echo display the output of dollar USR. It's not a command, guys. It is simply a alias kind of stuff. Like we use percentage, temp, percentage kind of stuff. Same thing only. Okay, same thing only. Those are not there. Home also not created. Okay, so like this. So my point is, I showed a date and home. Highlight it and you can paste it. Okay, here we can put a comments like this. I am trying to show you echo only. Echo double quotes, my host name is dollar in brackets host name space hyphen yes, like this. Double quotes, sorry, like this. Meaning is, in echo it display the line and also it will execute this command. Like this, you can execute a command. So how to execute a command here? Like this, in brackets, use the command. Okay, use the command. Same thing, date, sorry, have to change this. Today, the date and time is like this. Okay. Also you can use echo the user name is dollar USER. To execute that dollar USER. Okay. So this is all about a echo command only. So echo will display the line, and if you put any command, if you command in the dollar and it will start with the quotations, double quotes, then it will display. It will execute this command and display as a line. So this is echo. So what are the things we seen? PWD, who am I, and echo, host name, and simply a date. Okay. Next. What are the commands we have seen, guys? PWD, who am I, echo, ls, dollar USER, dollar home, and also host name space hyphen s, host name space hyphen I, date. Also we seen date. We have to, some more things are there, date and calendars. We'll see that one. Thing is, history. What is this history? I type some comments. From starting onwards, I type some comments. What are the comments I have typed in? I've typed. Okay, so to know that one, history. See, these are the commands so far I typed. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Can you see? These are the commands I typed. Okay, history. Next. For example, I want to repeat any command from it. I want to repeat any command from it. For example, I want to repeat this particular IP config. Okay, the history number is 5. History number is 5. Okay, history number is 5. So put a exclamatory mark on 5. It executed ipconfig command and it is repeated. Okay, so look at, I want to display host name space -s. I want to display this command. What is the history number? 28. Exclamatory mark 28. See, host name space -s. Exclamatory mark 44. So the 44 thing is displayed. I put a pwd. I want to repeat that command again like this. Repeat the last command. So this is called a history. This is called history. What is the next command? History. We display of commands executed. Okay. So $5 means repeat fifth command in history. Like this. Repeat means execute last command. So this is history, guys. Understand history?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, I will forward this notepad now. So once you are installed, once you practice, then only you will understand. We easily will understand. It's not a big one also. Next, before I'm going to date and all, I want to tell help commands. Help. What is this help? You know the command, but you don't know the option. Okay. Or you know some options, not all options. Okay. Not all options. So what to do? So what it is? You know the command, but options, but options are big question, or not all options. But don't know the options, or not all options. What to do? So you have to take a help. How many helps are there? We'll see. In command line, no, before command line, go to F1. In GUI, type of Linux, press F1. Look at here. This is my CLI, right? So I'm going to press F1. This is help. Help is loaded. Which type of help you want it? So it is chapter wise, it is providing. For example, browse files and folders. So you can read it about what is the browsing, what is this kind of stuff, what is that kind of stuff. It will give you. That is F1. Next one. Next one. You know the command. First one is you know the command. That is important. You know the command, but you don't know the options. Best one is -help. Your command and -help. For example, hostname -help. Try this one. Hostname -help. See, we know only 2-3 options, but it is showing so many other options. Hostname -b, hostname -f something, set hostname. Display formatted name, A, capital A, small d, like that options are there. Display hostname. You can look at, we given our hostname like a -I, IP address, -s, short hostname, -d, domain, DNS domain name, all FQDNs along with the host, all long host names, FQDNs. Okay, so we understand. Then I go to host name, then I put a. So full name, S is for starting name, D means only domain name. Okay, so in a host name, you want to see the starting one only. Okay, only host part, not complete name. Or you want to see only domain name, D. Like that, you can learn the options. You can use it. Like I know -s, I know -d, -I. What I learn? -d. What is the purpose of D? What is the purpose of A? Or I want a specific output. For that one, I search for a option using command means -help. This is one kind of help. Okay, to know the options easily. Guys, understand command name space -help to know easily options. You can try it on any other command also. So next one is, yeah, better we'll stop here. Next one we'll see. Help. We are in help. I will finish all the other helps also. Then we'll stop. Next one is man, info, p-info. These are also for a help. Man means manual. Man and your CMD display details of the command. Okay, same goes for info also. You can use info and info command, only PFP like this, and info PMD. So look at here, man, who shows who is logged on, who is the command shows who is logged on, and options are there. -A option is there, -boot option is there, death of heading, login. Okay, see options. You can able to see man interface to a one-line reference manual. So how to come out from it? Q. Okay. So same thing goes for a info p info also. Look at here. Info host name. See host name. Print or set a host name. And there is options. Host ID like so that is something is provided. Same p info. P info date. Print or set a system date, and of course there is a formats and options also available. So you have to use down arrow to go down. Press Q to quit. Okay. So this is help. What is a help? Command space hyphen hyphen help or man space command or a info space command or a p info space command only. You guys understand? Help commands.
Yes, sir.
The next part we'll see a date, calendar, EXPR, BC. That's it. Okay. Take a break, guys. Take a 10-15 minutes break. Okay.